Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here at CVS once again. So this is going to be my last trip of the week, and I received my $10 care pass, so that's the reason why I'm at CVS. I'm going to try to stock up on some toilet paper, and I also need some fabric softener. So I am using all digital coupons for that deal using my $10 care pass, and then I'm gonna sacrifice some extra bucks because I do need some printing paper. So I know they're buy one get one 50% off, and I believe they're $6.99 if I'm not mistaken. We're gonna go in store, we're gonna check out the deals, and I want to check out a deal on the St. Ives as well as the Ponds, and it's another product in the Simple products because I do have some CRTs. So I'm going to try to see how much it'll come out to, and you get back a $5 extra buck when you spend $15. So that might be a last minute deal, and what's great about the deal is that it counts towards beauty. I don't know yet if I'm going to do the deal. I just want to check the prices on the items and see how much it comes out to, if it's actually worth it. So I have, as you guys saw in my last video, I had a St. Ives CRT for $3 and $1.50. On my other card, I have the same thing, plus a 2 off of 5 for Simple products and a $1.50 off Ponds products. So all CRTs, there's no manufacturer coupons for any of those products. I'm just going to check out to see, maybe that's a deal you guys would like to do. So we'll do the math in store, see how it works out. But for sure, I know I need that printing paper. So it'll probably come out to like $10 if I'm not mistaken, or probably a little more than that. But I do have the extra bucks to cover it. So I'm going to scan my card. I'm going to print out my beauty bucks and show you guys that. I did receive beauty bucks. I think it's 9 on each card, or 6 in 1 and 9 in 1. I'm not sure. But if I were to do this Simple deal, it will be counting towards my beauty. So I'm going to see where I'm at beauty, and if it's actually worth it, if it'll lead me to a $3 beauty buck. So let's go inside and show you the last minute deals I'm going to do for CVS. So when I walked in, the red box coupon center was down, so I wasn't able to print out my beauty bucks. So the first deal is going to be on the spend 20, get $5 in extra bucks. And I'm going to give you guys 2 different scenarios for this spend 20, get 5. The first scenario, I'm going to use my $10 care pass on. But let's say you wanted to stock up on more paper products. You'll go with the second scenario. If you have your $10 in care pass, you can definitely use it for that. So the first item I'm going to grab for my scenario, I'm going to use my $10 care pass on, is going to be these Gain fireworks. So these are on sale for $5.94, and we have a $1 digital coupon. So make sure you send that to your account before you go shopping. So the next item I'm going to grab is going to be the Scott toilet paper. So these are on sale for $7.99. We have a 50-cent off 1 coupon in our digital coupons. So make sure you send that to your account before you go shopping. And I also have a 2 off of 8 paper product CRT. So the last item I'm going to grab is going to be this Downy. So these are on sale for $5.94. And we also have a $1 digital coupon. So make sure you send it to your account before you go shopping. Okay, so the total for all 3 products is going to be $19.87. And remember, guys, CVS follows the 98% rule. So you do 20 minus 98%, and I believe it's like $19.60. So if you spend $19.60 or higher, you should be able to get that $5 in extra bucks. So again, we're using that $1 off Downy digital coupon, the $1 off Gain digital coupon, and the 50-cent off Scott digital coupon. And I also have a 2 off of 8 paper product CRT. So the total works out to $15.37, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So the second scenario for the spend 20, get $5 in extra bucks, you're going to pick up 2 of the Scott toilet papers on sale for $7.99. And you're going to pick up 1 of the paper towels on sale for $5.49. So the total before coupons for all 3 products is going to be $21.47. You're going to use the 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Scott toilet paper. You're going to use the 50-cent digital coupon for the Scott paper towels. And on scottbrand.com, there is a 50-cent off 1 for the toilet paper. So make sure you print that out so you can use it for the last product. I have a 2 off of 8 CRT for paper products. So after that, it works out to $17.97. You're going to use that $10 in care pass for this, making it $7.97. or $2.97 for all products, or 99 cents each. So basically it's $7.97. You roll $8 in extra bucks for this. You get back $5 in extra bucks. So after the $5 in extra bucks, after using your $10 Care Pass as well, the products will work out to $2.97 for all of them, or 99 cents each. So the next deal is going to be the spend 15, get $5 in extra bucks. And included in this deal is going to be the St. Ives face scrub. And those are $5.59. The Pond's wipes for $5.99. And the Simple wipes for $6.79. So the total before coupons for all three products is going to be $18.37. You're going to use the $3 off St. Ives CRT, as well as the $1.50 off St. Ives CRT. You're going to use a 2 off of 5 Simple Wipe CRT, as well as a $1.50 off Pond's CRT. Okay, guys, remember there's no manufacturer coupons for this, making the total $10.37 after all CRTs, but you get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $5.37 for all of them, or $1.79 each, and $18.37 will count towards beauty. The Caliber printing paper is on a promotion this week for buy one, get one 50% off. So you're going to pick up the one that says the bonus pack. There is a bonus pack for $600 if your store carries it. You're going to buy one of them for $6.99. You're going to buy another one half off at $3.49, making the total $10.48, or $5.24 each pack, which is not a bad price for printing paper. And what I like about this deal is that I can use my extra bucks for it, so I don't have to pay cash out of pocket for printing paper. The next deal is going to be on the Arm & Hammer detergent. So they're on a promotion this week for buy one, get two free. So you're going to pick up one of them for $7.49. And we have a $1 digital coupon in our CVS app digital coupons. So the total works out to $6.49 for all three of them, or $2.16 each. Okay guys, so I'm back from CVS and everything worked out pretty well. So I'm going to show you guys both of my receipts. I did two different transactions. So I wound up getting the Arm & Hammer, which wasn't a bad deal if you absolutely need the Arm & Hammer this week. And I also did the printing paper that I needed. So instead of me using my cash out of pocket, I used CVS extra bucks to pay for that, because we all need printing paper. So it came out to about like $10, and it was the bonus pack of $600. So I was super excited about that. And yeah, let me just show you guys my receipts really quickly. Okay guys, so this was the printing paper that I picked up. It's 600 sheets, so this is like a bonus pack. So I picked up two of these and it came out to like $10 and something cents, which is not bad, and I used $10 in extra bucks to pay for it. Now I'm going to show you guys my first receipt. So this is the receipt that I used my Care Pass on. So there goes the Scott toilet paper on sale for $7.99. The Downy fabric softener was $5.94. And the Gain boosters were $5.94. So there goes my $1 off coupon for the Downy from our CVS app digital coupons. There goes the Gain digital coupon for $1. And there goes the Scott digital coupon for 50 cents. I had a 2 off of 8 for the Scott paper towel. So I had a 2 off of 8 paper towel CRT. And there goes my $10 in Care Pass. I wrote $5 in extra bucks for this. My total worked out to 37 cents. I had a tax of 56 cents, so I paid 93 cents out of pocket. And I got back the $5 in extra bucks. And also, I got back my $6 in Beauty Buck and my other $6 in Beauty Buck. So I got back $12 in Beauty Bucks this week, which I was super excited about. So basically, I put in 5 and got 5 back. This is why I say that Care Pass is very important and very good to have. It's like $48 for the year, but you're going to get that back $10 in Care Pass every single month in your CVS app. So it takes like 2 seconds at the register to apply to the Care Pass, and it's super easy. And the first month is actually free. So you get the $10 free without paying the $5. If you were to do it every single month, it's $5 every single month, $48 for the year. Now I'm going to show you guys my second transaction. So this is going to be the Arm & Hammer and the printing paper. Okay, so Arm & Hammer this week, again, buy one, get two free. and they're priced at $7.49. There goes the printing paper, $6.99. It took off $3.50. Arm & Hammer digital coupon for $1. Remember, guys, you cannot use coupons on free items. I used a $9, a $5, and a $3 extra buck. It took off 2 cents. So, there goes the subtotal. My subtotal was actually 0, and I had a tax of 63 cents. And I got back my beauty bucks for this card. So I got back a $3 beauty buck, and I got back a $6 beauty buck. So yeah, guys, hopefully this was helpful for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.